My people, no be small thing o. Do you know that Finland and Nigeria government and Britain, they spend a lot of money in order way to join Simon Ekpa. Cause you see their nyash don open o. As it start right now, this our brother don come open their nyash. Talk how the thing take happen. I go play the video make you watch. As they watch, make sure say they share so that other people go to get the information. Stay tuned.
Do you think Simon Ekpa that is held right now is for free? Finland knows the truth. They know the value of freedom. They know how to fight, how they fight freedom. I saw a guy here who came one day and said Simon Ekpa was, no, a freedom fighter must fight the government. Fight the government, not the civilians. Soldiers with signs say they want to protect the country. When there's a rebel, the rebel who are revolutionary, they must fight you. When they see you, they unalive you. That is revolutionary. Everybody's praising Nelson Mandela. I want to be like Mandela. Get out of here. Mandela begged for weapons. Mandela trained soldiers. They called them rebel. Who was Mandela fighting? The apartheid government. Oh, Mandela not do anything. They carry and put for prison. Abi. He was just shouting like Showore. They shout like Showore. No. There was a weapon involved. And they put him in prison. He was put in prison. They say, hey, Simon Ekpa, Simon Ekpa, yeah, see Mumu people. No, Simon Ekpa is committing crime. Now, Mumu, humble slaves. A revolutionary who wants a freedom must have a rebel. But don't fight the civilians. Anything government, now waiting Simon did. Even the government knows the truth. But they will come for you. Who are those coming for you? It's not just Nigerian government that come for Simon Ekpa. Finland knows, but I've told you there are people who control the world. It will only take them time. Hey, it's time to hold this guy. They know it's the truth. America fought British with weapon to get America that they have today. African people, we be mumu. I swear, when I sit down and watch some people talking dragons on their program on social media, and they will tell you they are graduates, and I sit down and say, which kind of book these people they read? The British you see today, the Britain today, did not own that country that they sit on. The British, where they sit today, does not own. They fought another government and it became theirs. If you are fighting as a revolutionary, your enemy is the government, not the civilians. That is why I blame these Hamas people. That's not how to fight. You fight with the government, leave the civilians alone. So, as a case of Simon Ekpa, Finland did not want to take any step. They are telling them, all of you knows now, the pressure was on them. A lot of pressure. All those mumu, we say they be DOS. It's not, whatever they did to Simon is not from them. What they did is from Nigerian government and the pressure from people who own you. The British that own us are giving Nigerian government pressure. You think Britain go open their mouth, talk, say, hey, Simon Ekpa? No. Oyibo people get sense. No matter what you do, they go to film. They go make film. They are doing underground. Now then, hold on. The pressure was too much. And I believe money is involved. Yes, money go there involved. The Biafran agitators give me one thing we say I no can like. And thank God say I just leave them behind. And the way when me they go now, I go criticize government, I go talk the truth. But that thing where they do for that Finland that time, I will not forgive them. I no get fight with them. When they arrest Simon, if you know they fight for, why are you guys fighting for position? If not be money, you know they find there. That means there's something going on. They can't divide. Oh, no pay money here. I'm not gonna begin to pay money here. I'm a very wise person. Oh. Some people feel see me say like I be mumu. I sit down like me where I just there here. I know Sabi una, but I they use my platform to shout. Even self government self don't put me for watch. Say, they won't know this guy. What he sabi, what he know. Now come they arrest Simon Ekpa and soon I don't they fight. I don't want to have enemy. They are all my brothers, but I don't see what they are doing anymore. Because I think I'm sorry, I may offend you. I'm not saying you should not follow them as a revolutionary. But I don't see the value where I don't know what they're doing. You understand? I'm not into them. I be like say these people they play with my intelligence. Me, I just did for social media, they shout, now they fight. Me, I don't fight as a revolution. You don't need to fight for position. You are fighting, that means there's something. Say for position, the sharp person. Me, I don't even want to go get for position as a revolutionary. You wait there for top, now you go prison, now you go die, now you go jail. But if something not there, why are they going fighting for position anyway? You see, this life is kind of weird. Okay, look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Look at him. A lot of people don't see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a revolutionary. You don't tell the truth. A lot of people think say Nigerian government who Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Forget. You will never see their name. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is held by the British. Now them. It will take, they will come for you. They will come for you. It's a time. It will only take time. We don't say Africa will be mumu. Our government now mumu. They are puppets. Do you think Simon Ekpa that is held right now is for free? Finland knows the truth. I don't learn a lot because of this social media. God. This world means nothing. Nothing. This world where we see so. Where are you from? I'm from Nigeria. Oh, you're from Nigeria, West Africa. Yes. You are a British property. Oh, I'm from Ivory Coast. I'm from Cameroon. I'm an Ivorian. Yeah, I'm an African. Get out of here. You are a humble slave. You are France property. That's what it is. We are property of these people. And they still block road for us. You know what I mean? We still have to struggle to cross. We have to struggle to cross to their side. You must struggle. You see me, I tell you now. Any day, I wish we fit live like 200 or 300 years. Make I live to the witness all the things where we talk. Any day where Africa develop and begin to create job, bros, I will tell you one thing for free. Europeans will collapse. Now me talk. Now they make them leave. They are taking our oil, gold, whatever they do. Oh, your country is corrupt. Yo, this country is very corrupt. It's corrupted. You go see them talking for their media. See, in Nigeria is corrupt. This country is corrupt. You will be African person. You go see and say, yes, you see, Oyibo man, they talk say we are corrupt, we are corrupt. Make you not be mumu. Sometimes they go to flash. If they are corrupt, the African politicians who are corrupt, where do they carry the money go? They go for medical tourism. They go, their children to school. They go buy house. They go invest abroad. They go buy Lamborghini. Anything from Africa? No. Anything produced of Africa? No. Even our celebrities. When you see them put, say, oh, I bought this from America. This chain is from America. It's diamond. Now, mumu you be. Diamond where we say they harvest for your papa backyard. Say, oh, this one is from France. I bought this. Now, mumu we be. The gold where we send for your papa backyard, they come out. Carry and go that place, you go, they buy them. Yeah, that's how we are programmed. We are programmed to have inferiority complex. We get inferiority so we bleach our colors. You go see some people bleach, so they say, dark, I too dark. Oh, I just want to, you be mumu. You see this skin where they here, no, you know, they know they buy them for market. Or you not fit change to our color. You know they possible. Some don't try them. Now bulletproof be our body now. Now bulletproof. Akpetagi iganondo. Agwatagi inondo. Mosquito go chop you, go stay there alive. Make mosquito, better mosquito for Africa, chop Oyibo. I give her 24 hours, they go bury her. I know they lie. So this is how we are programmed. The world is owned by some people, whether you like it or not. In the next 50 years, almost every family, let's say in the next 50, let's say in the next 200 years, everybody go get gay and lesbian for their family. Let me talk on. And they talk for now with Africa. Because for America now and West, for family, you go hard before you see family with gay or lesbian no day. They'll say, oh, forget about it. They are bringing it slow and steady through your celebrities. A lot of una celebrity. Azuka anaraha no ike. They go get wife. They pick them for Nyash. They shine them for Nyash. A lot of una celebrity when they see so things in a man they be. They use them now. Where, some of them don't even know where they get their money. Oh, this guy, he get money now. Those who get the world, are them, they're part of this LGBTQ. LGBTQ. Forget about it. Music industry, movie industry. You go get the money, you go they shine. You get not shining. We could not see Bobby Risky we go. You don't get paper for London. Bobby Risky, paper where Bobby Risky get. We know where they London long time. They take care of and they give her money every month. Now I don't know anything. If you want bring something, now slow and steady. They know the rush. Slow, steady, slow, steady, slow, steady. They promote slow and steady. You can yak why. When I would see say cloth where some people they hear now like unisex they be. Now like this they do now. Say na fashion, na fashion. Get out of here. Some people they will be say they give them those clothes to wear. That's fashion. Now unisex of it. Even you when you see them say, you like say this guy now LGBT. He did everywhere. He did everywhere. They promote. Now then go they fashion that person to promote that thing. Let's say the next 100, 200 years, everybody for family, even your papa will go be pastor. One of your brother will be LGBTQ. You not go do anything. You go to come church self. You go say no, leave my pikin. Na so God do am. No. Yeah, na so God do am. No, na so you see am. Na so you see am. So make una no judge am. Slow and steady. Yeah. That's so life be. I'm telling you, this life will be this so. I won't leave am slow.
Okay, my wonderful people. When I don't see how it they happen though, and I will say more bring a con give and now may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that other people go to get the information and know how it they go.